Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make a barcode in Excel. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to figure out a serial number for our products. You can choose any types of serial codes or serial numbers, including pure numbers or with letters mixed within. Second, you must make sure that the format of these serial numbers are all in text form. You can make sure by selecting all the cells, right-clicking, and going to Format Cells. Go ahead and choose the text option on the categories and click OK. There we go. Now that our cells are in text form, we can now proceed to the next step, which is putting brackets on our serial number. To enclose the serial numbers with brackets, we can't use the conventional way. We need to use a formula in order for us to keep updating our barcodes in the future. To do this, just type equals and use quotation marks, open parentheses, quotation marks, ampersand, and click the cell beside our selected cell, which is B3. After that, let's type ampersand again, quotation marks, close parentheses, and quotation marks, and then press enter. There we go. Now that we have that, let's place it in the middle and copy the formula to the other cells by dragging the green box on the lower right part of the cell. And there we go. Now that we have this one, go ahead and select the cells that we are going to turn into barcodes. Go ahead and go to Fonts and try to find ID Automation. It should look something like this. Go ahead and click it. And there we go. Let's extend the row height so we can see the barcode in its full glory. And there we have it. Some of you may not have this font readily available in Excel. If this is the case, then don't worry. I am going to show you how to install the font. Go to this website over here. If you click on the link, this window should show up. Now, once this window shows up, just click on Download Now. If you download the file, you'll get this one. Go ahead and extract the ID Automation Code 39. Once extracted, it should look like this. Once you got to this window, just click on any of these two. But for now, let's try the OpenType font file. Just click it and go ahead and click Install. Once you've installed, go ahead and restart Excel and the font should show up right after. And there we have it. This is how you make a barcode in Microsoft Excel.